Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and play the Squid Game 2 on TikTok and get rewards. You probably will love this new feature on TikTok if you are the fan of the hit series or just love playing exciting challenges. So this new features on TikTok will let you playing games like on Squid Game and you'll get rewards. And here what you need to do first is open the TikTok application, and then you can just tap on search by clicking on this magnifying glass icon at the top and find the keyword Squid Game 2. So just search for Squid Game 2, and after that here you'll see the activity options. There will be this join Squid Game 2. So what you need to do is just finish for a round of games to get the rewards. You can tap on view first. If this is your first time opening it, then you can just click on become a player and you'll see this page, let the new games begin. You can see the first game is red light green light. You can just tap on play now, but first I'm going to tell you what are the missions that you need to do to get the rewards. You can just scroll down. You can see that game turns don't roll over and will reset at 12 a.m. every day, and each mission can only be completed once per day. You can see there are four missions in here. First, you can visit this activity page and you'll get 2 turns, and after that you need to search for the player 4 5 6, and you'll also get 2 turns. You need to invite a friend to play, and lastly you need to post a video using the Squid Game hashtag. And here if you scroll down again, you'll see the game leaderboards. You can see the players which with the higher scores. You can see with the high score, and here you can see this is the rewards that you will get. So if you rank 1, you'll probably get a trip to the Squid Game experience, and rank 2 until 45 you will get $100 Netflix shop credit, and if you rank 46 until 456 you'll get a $20 Netflix shop credit. Okay, you can see this is the rewards, and then you can go back up to start the game. You can just click on play now, and this is the first game that you need to do. You need to hold to move and to go forward. You can tap on start a game. Okay, hold to move. You can just freeze. Okay, freeze again. Oh my god. Okay, so apparently I am dead now. You can just play again if you are failed on the first try. Okay, I'm fail again. Okay, so if you want to get more turn, you can just get more. Click on get more turns, and in here you'll see what you need to do to get the turns. So I hope you are better than me in playing the games and can move forward to the round 2, round 3, and round 4. And that's probably all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.